Dear friends, today also we bring some important information, announcements and updates from Indian stock market. Here are 30 stocks including PC Jewelers, K&R Rail Engineering, Pulse Electronics, Nexus Petro Industries, etc. Those have announced split dividend or bonus. In this video, we are trying to include the details of upcoming IPOs. Welcome to Stock Info Media. I am Nambudiri. Please like, share and subscribe. Pondy Oxides and Chemicals Limited (POCL) share is trading around rupees 2056. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:2. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 16th October 2024. Quasar India Limited, current market price rupees 22.3. Quasar India announced a stock split in the ratio 1:10. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by Quasar India. Cropster Agro Limited, current market price rupees 494. Company announced a bonus in the ratio 2:1. That means if you have 100 shares of Cropster Agro, you will get 200 shares as bonus. Besides, company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:10. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by Cropster Agro. Axelia Solutions Limited, Axelia, current market price rupees 1842. Company announced a dividend of rupees 40 per each share. 4th October is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Integrated Industries Limited, current market price rupees 419. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:10. That means if you have 100 shares of Integrated Industries, your 100 shares convert to 1000 shares. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 1st October 2024. Sukhjit Starch and Chemicals Limited, Sukhjit's current market price rupees 587. Sukhjit Starch and Chemicals announced a stock split in the ratio 1:1. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by Sukhjit Starch and Chemicals. Bombay Metrics Supply Chain Limited, B-Metrics, current market price rupees 137. Company announced a bonus in the ratio 1:1. That means if you have 100 shares of Bombay Metrics, you will get another 100 shares as bonus. So total you will have 200 shares. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 4th October 2024. Real Eco Energy Limited, current market price rupees 42. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:5. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 4th October 2024. Star Lineups Enterprises Limited, current market price rupees 14.5. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:5 and announced a bonus in the ratio 1:5. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by Star Lineups. Motisans Jewelry Limited, Motisans, current market price rupees 290. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:10. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 9th November 2024. Growy India Limited, current market price rupees 160. Growy India announced a bonus in the ratio 3:1. That means if you have 100 shares of Growy India Limited, you will get 300 shares as bonus. So total you will have 400 shares. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by Growy India. HEG Limited, current market price rupees 2434. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:5. 18th October is fixed as the ex-date and record date. PC Jewelers Limited, current market price rupees 154. Company announced a board meeting on 30th September 2024. Purpose of the board meeting is stock split. Exaro Tiles Limited, Exaro, current market price rupees 100. Company announced a board meeting on 14th October 2024. Purpose of the board meeting is same, stock split. JTL Industries Limited, JTL Ind, current market price rupees 233. Company announced a board meeting on 3rd October 2024. Purpose of the board meeting is splitting the stock and issuing bonus. K&R Rail Engineering Limited, current market price rupees 420. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:10. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by K&R Rail Engineering. Mox Overseas Educon Limited, Mox, current market price rupees 168. Company announced a stock bonus in the ratio 3:1. That means if you have 100 shares of Mox Overseas, you will get 300 shares as bonus. So total you will have 400 shares. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by Mox Overseas. Pulse Electronics Limited, current market price rupees 184. Company announced a bonus in the ratio 1:1. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by Pulse Electronics. Vaishali Pharma Limited, Vaishali, current market price rupees 197. Company announced a bonus in the ratio 1:1 and announced a stock split in the ratio 1:5. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced. Upcoming IPOs. Nexus Petro Industries Limited. Face value rupees 10 per share. Price band 105. Lot size 1200 shares. IPO open date 26th September. IPO close date 30th September. Base of allotment 1st October. Initiation of funds 3rd October 2024. Credit of shares to Demat account 3rd October 2024. Listing date of Nexus Petro Industries is 4th October 2024. Nexus Petro Industries Limited, incorporated in October 2021, Nexus Petrochemicals Limited is involved in the trading, manufacturing and sale of petrochemical products, particularly bitumen products. The company produces and distributes high-quality bitumen emulsions and special bituminous allied products to infrastructure construction companies, government agencies, road authorities, and the bitumen industry. The company is BIS and ISO certified for its products and processes. It had upgraded its processing unit, boosting production capacity and product quality. This has led to an increase in customers due to its positive approach towards clients. This is the balance sheet of Nexus Petro Industries for the last 3 years. Diffusion Engineers Limited. Face value is fixed as 10 rupees per share and price band is fixed as 159 to 168 rupees. Lot size is 88 shares. IPO open date 26th September 2024 and IPO closes on 30th September 2024. Basis of allotment 1st October 2024. Initiation of funds 3rd October and credit of shares to Demat account 3rd October 2024. Listing date is 4th October 2024. Diffusion Engineers Limited. Founded in 1982, Diffusion Engineers Limited is active in the manufacturing of welding consumables, wear plates and parts and heavy machinery for core industries. The company offers specialized repair and reconditioning services for heavy machinery and equipment. The company also trades in wear protection powders and welding and cutting machines. At its production facilities, the company offers the super conditioning process, a surface treatment for machine components that increase wear resistance, eliminates stresses and improves repairability, ultimately extending service life and reducing production costs. This is the balance sheet of Diffusion Engineers Limited for the last 3 years. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe.